Islington's Queer History Project, Video 11. Charlie Kiss. Charlie Kiss was a transgender man and actually the first trans man to stand for Parliament back in 2015. He stood for the Green Party in the Islington South and Finsbury constituency, and he had actually previously uh, stood for the council elections in 2014. He was a strong anti-nuclear campaigner, and back in the 80s, he was involved in the Greenham Common protests. He was actually imprisoned twice for the demonstrations at the Greenham Common Peace Camp, and he spent time in Holloway Prison. He was the actual pink pin is on Holloway Road next to the pub that is now called the Lamb. It's sort of close to Foodway Crescent. He also wrote a book called A New Man, Lesbian Protest Mania Trans Man, and it's an autobiography explaining about his life. Sadly, he died in 2022. At the moment, I'm only covering the people who have died. At a later point, I may actually also include some living examples of LGBT, notable LGBT people in the borough, but I think I'd like to contact them first before doing so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.